Firming Body Lotion. This skin-firming butter with Q10 and Vitamin E is formulated to help visibly restore your body, especially after pregnancy or weight loss. This moisturizer is a great tone-up cream for all skin types and features a light cocoa scent. Special formula. Made with cocoa butter to naturally moisturize, raw shea butter to provide essential fatty acids and nutrients, vitamin E to help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks, and elastin for skin firming and tightening. Finest ingredients. We strive to use only the finest natural, raw ingredients to bring you soft, hydrated and beautiful hair and skin. We support sustainable production of shea and cocoa butter and coconut oil worldwide. Choose what's real. Our beauty products and hair and skincare treatments feature real, natural high-quality, plant-based ingredients in formulas that really work to hydrate and soften, from lip balm to bar soap to body butter. Palmer's Skincare. Our cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, and vitamin E product lines include creams, balms, lotions, oils and soaps for hand and body, face, lip, sun care, hair care and pregnancy and stretch mark care. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful product. Very moisturizing lotion. I am a big fan of the Palmer's brand. I use many of their products and they have literally reduced the aging of my skin. I will be 65 in October and my skin looks as good as it did 20 years ago. I am hooked on the facial oil and the body oils. Try them for 4 weeks and you will be shocked at the improvement of your skin.